Okay guys, no bullshit, let's go straight to the point. And that's why you click this video, right? I'm gonna give you 5 of the best and viral AI niches that are not competitive and going to blow up in 2025. And make sure not to miss any of these niches, because you will regret it when you see some other creators start these niches before you do. I have created this Word document that has all the information about these niches. You can download that from the description. At the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a secret tips to go viral with these niches, and it can help you to blow your channel and gain more views. And before we start, I wanna say that these niches are super easy to start. You don't have to show your face or spend hours creating videos. Most importantly, all of these 5 niches are monetizable. Let's start the process. Niche number 1, cosmic facts. Yeah, you heard it right. This is going to be one of the biggest niches in 2025 simply because people love to watch and learn amazing things about space and the universe. Let's see some of the successful channels in this niche. The name of this channel is Astrum, and this is one of my personal favorite channels in this niche. The crazy thing is this channel has achieved 2.2 million subscribers with just 376 videos, and that is crazy. If you check their latest videos, you can clearly see that they are getting thousands of views daily. The latest video that they have uploaded has gained 130,000 views within just 3 days. Now you can understand this niche can go viral easily. According to The Social Blade, this channel is making more than $30,000 a month in ad revenue alone. Another example channel in this niche is this one called Exolife. This is a new channel that is growing rapidly. I have added several example channels like these 2 in the Word document. And also, I have added the prompt you will need to start a channel in this niche in that document. I'm currently creating a full course on how to start a channel in this cosmic facts niche. Now, if you are interested in that, drop a comment and I will upload that video this week. Niche number 2, Futuristic World niche. This is actually a fun niche to watch, and it's really mesmerizing. There is a huge audience who loves to watch these kinds of stuff, and it keeps growing. As an example, take a look at this channel. The crazy thing is that this channel has gained 458,000 subscribers with just 46 videos. I mean, that's impressive. That proves that this niche is growing now and has a huge audience, but not many creators who are doing this niche. So, it's up to you to decide to start a channel in this niche. According to The Social Blade, this channel is making around $2,000. You might think that this value is low, but actually it's a good amount because they are making this amount only with 46 videos. This is another example channel in this niche, and this channel has 1,000 videos and it's making around $15,000 a month. Before going into the other 3 niches, let me show you a cool AI tool that can make videos for any of these 5 AI niches. This tool is called VidWiz AI. There are a lot of AI video tools available now. Among all other AI video generators, this is one of my favorite. This tool can make high quality, unique, and 100% accurate videos according to any prompt you provide. Let's create a video for the cosmic facts niche using this tool and see the results. Once you sign up for your account, you will come to this page. Here you can create a video series for your niche. I have already created 2 video series for my other YouTube channels. Let's create a new series. This is where you need to type your prompt. As you can see here, we also have several templates for specific niches, such as history, ghost stories, and cool cars. Depending on the niche you're going to select, you can choose any of these templates. In this case, I'm gonna go with my own script. Let's paste it here. Now, you need to click on the Advanced Settings option. As you can see here, you can connect your TikTok or YouTube channel for this AI and schedule the videos. If you are someone who is working and doesn't have enough time to create videos and upload them, this would be a really help to you. Then, if you have any background music or videos, you can upload those here, and this tool will use those when creating your videos. Now, you need to select the aspect ratio for your video. You can create long-form videos as well. You just need to select the 16:9 aspect ratio. For this example, let's make a short video. So I'm gonna select this 9:16 aspect ratio then. You can select a suitable voice for your video from here. And then, you need to decide the duration of the video. I'm gonna select around 1 minute duration for this video. And let's create this. Our video has been completed. Now, we have the title, description, and video script. If you don't like the script of your video, you can edit it here and regenerate the video according to your new script. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the timeline of this video, and here, you can edit the voiceover, background music, and all the sound effects. If you don't like any images that this video has, you can replace those with new images. Now, Let's see the final output.
Imagine a world where it never stopped raining for 2 million years. In the depths of Earth's history, during the Paleoproterozoic era, a unique event unfolded. A young Earth, already teeming with life, faced a cosmic challenge. Meet Gaia, the spirit of Earth who watched as the skies opened up. Meteorites bombarded our planet, carrying water and the seeds of life. The rain was relentless, shaping continents, filling oceans, and nurturing the first complex life forms. This wasn't just rain, it was a cosmic shower, a galactic downpour. It transformed Earth from a barren land to a cradle of life. So next time you feel a raindrop, remember, it might be a whisper from the cosmos, telling a story of endurance, change, and the eternal cycle of life.
This video is really good. And guys, VidWiz has 3 plans. The plan starts from $7 and it can create 3 videos per week, which means 12 videos per month. Then, this starter plan costs $19 a month, but you can create 30 videos a month. You can use the link in the description and this promo code to get a 30% discount. Niche number 3, funny comic niche. Honestly, this niche is going to be a new niche. It's because I didn't find any major channels related to this niche, so the competition is very low. Guys, with the power of AI tools, creating videos for this niche is very easy. I do have some example TikTok pages that are blowing up in this niche. This TikTok page, which is Flow Comics, has 316,000 subscribers. These videos are funny stories in a comic style, but they have a hidden message that actually has a meaning to improve our lives. Another example, TikTok page in this niche is this one, which has around 90,000 followers. You can do this niche on YouTube. It's gonna fall under the entertainment category, which has an RPM of around $2.5. Niche number 4, poetry and philosophy niche. This is one of the most underrated niches that you can find on YouTube. Take a look at this channel. This channel has gained 1.9 million subscribers with just 99 videos. Honestly, creating videos for this niche is not a big deal. According to The Social Blade, this channel is making around $4,700. Another successful channel in this niche is this one. This channel posts videos about the philosophy. And if you check these videos have a very unique style. And that's the reason why this channel has gained 740 subscribers within a very short time. According to The Social Blade, this channel makes around $4,800 a month with ad revenue only. Niche number 5, what if niche. Now, this is the best niche on this list, simply because you will not run out of content ideas. You can create unique and brand new topics every day. One of the best and most successful channels in this niche is this one called What If. I used to watch this channel several years ago. At that time, creating a channel like this was very expensive and nearly impossible with the resources for a normal person. But now with the power of AI tools, creating a channel in this niche and creating videos for it is super easy. According to The Social Blade, they are making around $32,000 a month with ad revenue only. If you are interested in this niche, I'm planning to create a course for this niche as well. Another example channel for this niche is this one. This channel is only 11 months old, and it has only 18 videos. With this short period of time, they have managed to achieve 763,000 subscribers. This is mind-blowing. Let me show you an example long video I created for this niche using VidWiz AI.
Did you know that if the moon suddenly disappeared, our world would change forever? Picture this. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, is gone. Tonight, there's no moon to light up the darkness. And this isn't just a poetic scenario. Scientists like Dr. Celeste.
As I mentioned at the start of this video, if you want to get more views and subscribers while making a lot of money with your channel, you need to upload at least 3 long videos a week and 1 short video per day. Uploading short videos a day can help you with getting more subscribers. You can upload both short and long videos for these 5 niches because these audiences love to watch both videos. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.